cabin crew, I think it is. But so this is my seat. We are currently flying at 35 feet above sea level. The weather looks good, which means we will feel free to explore the airplane. Okay. We'll be free to explore the airplane. Now please find your seat. We're about to cross an area of high turbulence. Oh, not turbulence, I'll just like to still feel sick. Okay. Oh, whoa, this is bad turbulence. Ooh, they don't focus. Thank you for your Wait, that was your plan. Get ready as our crew prepare. Okay, oh, a snack. Oh. What? Hello everyone, we are crew members. It's the iconic Roblox sandwich. Excuse me, can I have another one? Excuse me. Excuse you. How really you? I'm not feeling very well. What? What? Oh no, quickly. We need to find a younger baggy food. Look at actual creatures. She's gonna die, she's gonna die. She's gonna die, people! People! She's gonna die! Oh flip. She's gonna die, she's gonna die, she's gonna die, she's gonna die, she's gonna die. Oh flip. I found it. Here. Phew, that was a close one. Sorry, I get here. Good afternoon, all passengers. I inform you we've reached stable alert. It would be a good time to sit back, take an hour, and I think something bad's gonna happen. My passengers, members, get relaxed. We still have a few hours to go. Okay. Ugh. Oh. What? Huh? It appears that we've lost energy. Hang on, try to fix it. Gosh, what is that? Oh, flip. You will not. Are those? I should have seen the restroom though. Let's get in. Leave room. Okay guys, that is it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Make sure to like and subscribe. Bye!